So this is a wash and go with our conditioning and styling gum. Cutting the split ends, trimming the split ends of your hair minimizes breakage. As a result, encourages growth. And as though that is not enough, it also makes your hair look bigger, encourages volume, bounce. So satisfying. What else would you ask for? So after your style is dry, wash and go, you want to go inside and check areas that are not dry with a hand dryer. It also helps to stretch the style and just put everything together.